Ever drop your camera, a light drop or a heavy drop, and pick it up and it works? I did. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Thanks for joining me on my journey, heading on out. I'm telling you an excellent story indeed. So it may not happen to you, but if it does happen, at least I could tell you what to look for and how to get it repaired. DJI. I changed the joystick to be up, down, left, right, the 5D, and the zoom on the screen. It don't work right. Just don't work right. So I got your Lancy jaw, the claw, those clamps that you just squeeze and push on. And I always double check it to make sure they lock on place. And sure enough, this one was locked. It felt locked. It was secured. And when I walked in, boom, man, it fell right off. I couldn't even get my foot underneath the camera to stop the fall. So check this video out. Let me show you what it's all about. You'll be amazed with what I done. But you know what? I said I'm gonna leave it to the pros for the reason of you can't get the part. It may cost $5.95, but it is not the right part. The part runs a little bit more than that, and the labor itself is not that bad. Here's a story. Your camera, if it ever gets dropped, you're gonna have a screen that looks like that. The camera is usable, you just don't know what you're on. So if I go to a repair clinic, yeah, Best Buy, average repair, $200. No questions about it. I could send it in to Sony. They don't cover negligence. So if your camera hits the floor like so, that's what happens. So close the bad boy up, go get it repaired, and move on. Yeah, dropping my camera off. Glad I took the car, nowhere to park, nowhere to ride, all that good stuff. So here we are, dropping off. Yeah, we all vlog and you can't hear a word I say. My camera went for repair. Off we go and out of here. Average quote? Yeah, man, it's all around just about the same price. You'll be paying around $200 for the Flex. Some other places may charge you as high as $300. Yeah, my camera's been out for a year and my warranty is over. So I have to get it fixed. And yeah, I have a DJI Pocket 3, and that's what I'm shooting with. And I could use it, substitute it, or just make it my primary camera, and then figure out if I want to spend $1,000 for a Sony ZV1 Mark II, then repair it or toss it out. That's what some people would do. Yeah, I could just go get another camera. Well, Sony, they need to make a better flex cable. They need to make it a little bit more protected, so when the camera does give a drop, it will last. You never know what a simple little tilt over can do for you. Sony's got the part on back order. Will take 2 weeks to get it done. I found it was easy to open up the camera, but a little difficult to get it past the USB port side. At least I was able to look in and see that my camera, I couldn't find what the issue really was and let a pro do its job. Then to pass myself off as a pro, if you know. I don't do that. I'm a how-to guy. I love to open things, play with things, and work with things. I like to do opening boxings and more. A lot of people stop by would not know that because they don't see the channel as who I am. Well, I had my chair, my fun, my talk, my show. I'm heading on out. I got things to do, and I got to be on the go. Well, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, you're with me today, baby. We're going to learn you a little bit more because you're going to be my primary camera. But I got the Sony ZV1F as my backup. And do I love that? Not 100%. But at least it works. And I got something I can use as well. So, I'm, so the video may help somebody out there if they never know what to do. Can you cry over it? It's spilt milk. You can't. So don't cry over it. Just, try to be careful. What can we do to prevent it from happening again? Get rid of Ulanzi. Those claw jaws, they're terrible, man. You think they hold? They're not strong enough. So maybe I need to have the ones that slip in, that click in. And that's what I'm going to have to go do. Either continue to use the one I got and really always double check it. Or maybe put a leash around the camera and underneath so when it does slip off, at least it'll slide down and won't fall to the floor. Well, I had my fun, my share, my talk, my ride. My ride. And on that note, I'm out of here.